ganging up on me. You want a New Year update, don't you? Well, here we are. 2025. What do I have planned for this year? Well, hopefully more uploads than last year. Hopefully, anyway. Hopefully more with taking a cheap or free mower and showing that you can fix it up, get it going, and then sell it for a profit. And then you can use that profit to put towards the next one. And then after you do a few, you could say buy, for instance, a trailer, a pickup, maybe even a compact tractor if you want to get fancy with it. It's all doable. So, 2024, I know I didn't really film much, but in total of the year, I ended up selling a little over 60 lawnmowers. Which compared to my first year doing it, I only sold like 20. And new for this year of 2025, I kind of made an investment. And I'm going to take you with me just so you can see what my new investment is. It's this right here. I just picked this up last night. This is a 7x14 utility trailer. All this really needs for work is just, I gotta mess with the lights. I gotta get those hooked back up and working again. This side's not even hooked up at all anymore. But no, I'm gonna put some new lights on this, rewire it, and be done with the electrical. I want to have something nice and reliable. It does have a new jack. The decking, I just gotta install maybe one board, it looks like, and this will be complete. Decking isn't too terribly bad. And so far, I'm pleased with this. I like how I've got a drop-down gate. This is actually what I wanted for a trailer in the first place. But instead, as a starter trailer, for those that don't know, last year around mid-March, I traded a Craftsman mower I picked up for like 50 bucks for a snow sled trailer, and I used it for the year. And I figured, you know, once I got it, I figured it was just going to be like a starter trailer. Something that would get me going, and I would sooner or later replace it. Well, this is its replacement. Snow sled trailer's done me well, but I got something better. I like this since, just like the snow sled, I could put two mowers right side by side next to each other. That, and I can still use this to haul my 430 diesel if I want to. It's wide enough. So, for those that haven't seen the snow sled trailer, I'm gonna get a walk down and go get a look at it real quick. Well, just so you, the viewers, can see it in case you haven't seen what I've been working with. I did make a YouTube short about it when I first got it, and I think I had one commenter that put, well, I think you got the better end of the deal, and I would say I did. I ended up, over time, I redecked it, I redone the wiring, I even repainted the frame. done me well, but I just, you know, you can't keep both. So this is it right here. This is a Caravan tilt snow sled trailer. This isn't even 8 feet long. This is, it's almost 8 feet. 8-foot piece of plywood wouldn't fit, you know, in the gap. I redecked it with pressure treated. And as you can tell, I mean, I've been using it this winter. I got a couple of driveways I snow blow next town over. So that's what I use this for during the winter months. Got a decent jack. I did have 4 of these D-ring hooks all the way around, and I think I've bought like 4 of them and lost them. I've lost up 10 of these things. This trailer bounces, it vibrates, and these all back out. I thought about, at the end of it, I thought about welding the threads on just so you couldn't get this off, you know, until you wanted it off. I gotta clean up the wire, and that's quite a horrifying mess. But no, this is what I started off with. This is what I used, and it worked great for me. It's just showing its age, and I kind of wanted an upgrade. I wanted something that, well, just like what I bought there, that I could put at least 2 mowers on it. I could haul my 430 if I want to. And I got something that's, you know, more of an upgrade, more versatile than what this was. Was a good trailer, but now it's time to let it go. I'm gonna see if I can get you underneath so you can see the brand new decking. And it's probably hard to tell, but I did end up repainting this frame. It is starting to pick up some surface rust again. That and the tilt there is bent a little bit. Still works though. Still works perfectly fine. Well, this is where I'm standing at as of 2025. I hope to have more uploads this year. And stay tuned to see what I have coming out. I'll catch you later in the next video.